Hey hackers and Linux enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news for you. Kali Linux, the go-to Linux distribution for ethical hacking and penetration testing, has just dropped its final release for 2023, Kali Linux 2023.4. Stick around as we unpack the latest features, updates, and improvements that come with this release. To kick things off, let's take a look at some of the major highlights of Kali Linux 2023.4. The most anticipated feature is the addition of Raspberry Pi 5 support. That's right, you can now run Kali Linux on the latest Raspberry Pi single-board computer. Whether you prefer building the image manually or using the new dedicated image with Raspberry Pi Imager, the choice is yours. Just a heads up though, Nexmon support for the built-in Wi-Fi chip is currently not functional. So, if you're into monitor modes or frame injections, grab an external card. Next up, we have the inclusion of Gnome 45. Kali Linux 2023.4 introduces Gnome 45 with a sleek, activity button-less design. Dive into the pill-shaped workspace switcher, enhanced system settings, updated core apps, and more. The Kali Linux team has even fine-tuned the experience with improved search functionality, full-height sidebars, and updated themes. For those of you using Kali Linux in a virtualized environment, here's some good news. The Vagrant offering now supports Hyper-V Vagrant, a versatile alternative to Docker, allows you to build and manage portable virtual machine environments. And now it's even more powerful with Hyper-V support. But wait, there's more. Kali Linux 2023.4 brings several other changes and improvements to the table. New download mirrors in Japan and Serbia mean faster and more accessible downloads for users in these regions. And speaking of mirrors, there's a transition to mirror bits for handling mirror redirection. This enhances the overall efficiency of Kali's mirror system. Exciting news for cloud users. Kali Linux now offers ARM64 and AMD64 images on Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure marketplaces, giving you even more flexibility in your cloud deployments. But that's not all. A plethora of new tools have been added to the network repositories, expanding Kali Linux's arsenal for penetration testers and security professionals. To get the full scoop on all the changes and updates, head over to the official release blog. The link is in the description below. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. You can download Kali Linux 2023.4 right now from the official website. The link is in the description. So go ahead and level up your hacking game. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy hacking.